This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to connect Salesforce data to Excel. We'll explore several straightforward methods to bring your valuable customer relationship management information directly into your spreadsheets. This integration allows for more flexible reporting, advanced calculations, and personalized data manipulation. By the end of this guide, you'll be able to confidently manage and analyze your Salesforce data within the familiar environment of Excel, saving you significant time and effort. There are several effective ways to connect your Salesforce data to Excel, each offering unique advantages. The most common approach involves using the dedicated Salesforce for Excel add-in, which provides a direct and interactive link. Alternatively, you can export specific reports or data sets directly from Salesforce in formats like CSV or Excel. For more complex or automated needs, consider third-party integration tools or setting up an odd connection to pull data programmatically. Let's walk through connecting using the Salesforce for Excel add-in. First, download and install the add-in from the Salesforce App Exchange. Once installed, open Excel and you'll find a new Salesforce tab. Log in with your Salesforce credentials. You can then choose which objects, like accounts or opportunities, and specific fields you wish to import. Your data will populate your spreadsheet, and you can easily refresh it to ensure you always have the most current information. To maximize your Salesforce and Excel integration, follow these best practices. Regularly refresh your data to ensure your reports are always based on the most current information available. Always prioritize data security, especially when handling sensitive customer details. It's also wise to periodically validate your imported data against Salesforce to confirm consistency and accuracy. Finally, organize your Excel workbooks logically, using clear labels and formatting to facilitate easy analysis and sharing.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.